Hi everyone, Sunshine Annie here. Wow, spring forward, daylight savings time has just kicked my butt today. Anyway, this was March 3 through 9 in my DIY composition book planner. For March, I've chosen this kind of flowery spring theme because that's the way I'm feeling, or at least I'm hoping. We had some terrible winds and rain overnight, and we've lost more trees that have come down. Some of them needed to come down because they were already coming down. Anyway, we couldn't get to them because of the snow, and it really is wet right now in our little forest area. So this is what last week looked like. Yeah, we didn't do anything really. We've stayed kind of laid low. We did have some nice days, and we had some rainy days, typical of March in Maine. So this is what this week's looking like. I haven't put in the white and little black marks yet. I've just done the basic page, which is to coincide with this page. Next week, I will be going with a different color. Probably. And if you have any thoughts on it, if you want to give me some colors, a color challenge to try to come up with, let me know. And please, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Trying to grow my channel a little bit, but also trying to keep it manageable. So for today, it was spring forward. We turned the clocks forward by an hour. Did some laundry, did some cleaning, kind of lazed around a little bit in the morning, and then we ran out once the weather got better. It did turn off sunny. I went and did some errands, and we got takeout Thai food for dinner. As far as the week, I don't have a lot planned. We have our early release at school. My daughter-in-law's due date is the 16th. So hopefully I'll have a grandbaby soon. For my goals, I want to make healthy choices, be more active, drink more water, and my healthy mindset is working on art projects that I have planned. And journaling, I do a lot of writing and journaling, a lot of visual journaling and mixed media journaling. So I'm trying to keep it short because I have gotten at this so late today and just been on a cleaning jag, trying to clean up a few things in my art room and put things away, to organize. So yeah, this is getting up a little bit late. I do have menu stuff, but I haven't got a clue what I'm doing for menu this week. We do have some things that we buy on a regular basis, like chicken, and we like to do a meatless dish, once a week. And we do. Sometimes we do takeout. We've been doing less and less of it. I've been trying to do salads, and I like to add a little bit of chicken to my salads. So yeah, that's pretty much my plan for this week. Just trying to keep it together through spring. We are very muddy here, very wet, and but it is warming up, and now with the time change, we'll have some longer days, so it'll be an improvement that way. So I want to go to bed soon to keep up with the time change. So anyway, enough so's. I hope you have a great week. I'm hoping to do a 2 spread, so that maybe I could do another spread, do 2 weeks at a time next week, so that the following week I could do I'm not going to do a live. I can't do that yet. Not ready for that yet. But I was thinking of showing some of an art journal, maybe an art journal process, if you're interested in that. So if you've come this far in the video and you are interested in seeing some of my art journal process, put a thumbs up or an affirmative on my in the comments, and I would certainly appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great week, and I love you all.